If you love bows that stand out but are still easy to make, this one is for you. In this tutorial, we'll be using satin ribbons that are 3.8 cm wide and 23 cm long. I have mine here in red and cream. First, we're going to heat seal the ends so they won't fray. Next, we'll move on to sewing, so make sure your needle and thread are ready. Let's start with our red ribbon. Fold it in half to find the center point. Now grab your needle and thread. We will start stitching. Now grab your second ribbon and do the same process. Once both are sewn, gently pull the thread to form that bow shape, then wrap the thread around the center to secure it nicely. Now for our top layer, we're using a printed ribbon that's 5 cm wide and 21 cm long. Just like before, heat seal the ends, fold to find the center, and sew. It's finished, we'll attach it right on top of our first bow using hot glue. For the center, I'm using a small strip of ribbon. We'll trim off the excess fabric. We'll heat seal. Apply glue to secure. Now, let's attach the hair clip. I'm using a 5.5 cm alligator clip. And that's our Moana-inspired bow all finished. It's simple steps, but very beautiful result. Thank you for crafting with me today, and see you next time.
DJ Baltic dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft and